see it happen. All right, already. Big action already.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Out. Hang on now. Come on, Lawrence, get us fired up. Let's go. Come on, Lawrence, here it comes. Come on.
Devin's got black smoke. Get started.
All right, Lawrence is back in the hunt. Oh yeah, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. That didn't sound good at all. Yeah. Damn, they got a big part. Could have sounded like. All right, though. Damn. Yeah, here we go. Look out, Lawrence. Kevin's out. Kevin Ensley's out. He's the only one with the right pass so far.
Look out! Kevin, watch your hand. Whoa.
All right, Lawrence, here it comes. Look out, look out. Marty Olson. Yeah. So Marty Olson is wrapping her up. He's hanging over there, doing well. I don't think so. He just kind of cruised into there. He didn't mean it. Kind of soft though. So we still got 4. Justin's still hanging. Justin, you still trying to fired up, right? Yeah, he's trying to find her.